In Part 2 of Module 9 on State and Local Bureaucracy and Administration, we'll discuss administration as a system. If an individual were to visualize bureaucracy as an object, how would it be represented? While some would say a python with all the negative connotations, a more common and realistic perspective would be that of a pyramid. Just as the pyramids have a single tip at the top, so too do bureaucracies. They have one official leader. The base of a pyramid is wide, which could be symbolic of many offices or positions, all reporting to process, something that endures despite changes in the world around the top of the bureaucracy. Like a pyramid, bureaucracy is viewed as largely immutable and enduring. Bureaucracy is seen as inelastic and highly structured. The recognition of a legitimate active engagement role for bureaucracy in governance began when scholars and practitioners in government service began to conceptualize public administration as an organic process. Unlike bureaucracy, an organic process would view public administration in the United States as a highly collaborative enterprise involving people, animate administrative professionals, rather than offices and official positions. In an organic process, individuals within an organization are seen as possessing unique conditions and values, characteristics that cause them to shape the organizational mission and accomplishments, as well as strategic planning for the future. Additionally, within the paradigm of active engagement, the active administration includes an interactive process occurring between professionals and citizens rather than involving simply a one-way bureaucratic enterprise of policy implementation strictly following the dictates of elected officials. The socio-political environment is affected by what administrators will do and how they will accomplish their goals. Responsiveness to changing conditions is critical for state and local government agencies. Organic administration entails the active interaction between legislative and executive officials and bureaucrats occurring within a network that is adaptive, one that can respond to the ever-changing needs of agency clientele and balancing these adaptive adjustment concerns with the need for the efficient use of public funds. Public administrators are expected to take part in this interaction as able and confident collaborators. In the 21st century, governance at the state and local level clearly entails building and supporting sustainable communities. Sustainability necessarily implies the core traits of adaptability and innovation. While these traits may create desired outcomes in the statutes and ordinances placed into law by elected officials, the accomplishment of these outcomes requires the active involvement of public administrators responding to changing local, state, national, and even international conditions. In Part 3 of Module 9 on State and Local Bureaucracy and Administration, we'll discuss administrative governance.